Bhushan Kumar. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome on stage, undoubtedly, one of the most good looking actors in Bollywood. It by no means, people don't go wrong when they call him the Greek god. A huge round of applause for the extremely dapper looking Hrithik Roshan. Secondly, let's welcome on stage the lady who, everyone falls in awe of you. When you look at you, you're a fashion icon, a fashionista, somebody everybody is aping to be like. Ladies and gentlemen, the fashion icon of India. Put your hands together for Sonam Kapoor. Well, recreating such a classic is by no means an easy task. इतने legendary गाने को recreate करना बहुत ही difficult task है. The super talented Yo-Yo Honey Singh has done this classic as he wanted to gift this to T-Series and Shri Gulshan Kumar. Honey Singh has a great respect for old music numbers and creators of that era. Known to give us foot tapping music, and he has time and again proved to be the king of all parties. But also, he has created this classic. Unfortunately, वो आज यहाँ पर नहीं आ पाए. लेकिन I think we should give a big round of applause also for Yo-Yo Honey Singh. I'd also take this opportunity to call on stage Mr. Neeraj Roy from Hangama, Mr. Ajay Kapoor, and Mr. Vinod Bhanushali. So please come on stage. We just have a photo op for all the photographers जो हैं. Just have a photo op. भूषण जी मैं आपसे पहले पूछना चाहूंगा कि क्लासिक गाना है ऐसे क्लासिक गाने को रिक्रिएट करना द टीम ऑफ ऋतिक सोनम अहमद खान कमिंग टुगेदर ये सब हुआ कैसे
Actually, it initially Yo-Yo Honey Singh, who has worked with me so much, and उन्होंने एक बार मुझे बताया कि I have read an interview long back, बहुत पुराना एक पापा का इंटरव्यू था जो I think उन्होंने पढ़ा था, and he told me कि his favorite song was धीरे धीरे. Do you know that? I said कि मुझे गाने तो उनके बहुत सारे favorite थे लेकिन धीरे धीरे is his most favorite song. I didn't know about it. So he told me I've read it and I want to dedicate that song to him and I want to do it in my style, today's style. And वहाँ से idea generate हुआ and then he composed a beautiful song, merging धीरे धीरे with it, and it came out very well. And then I wanted to put it on a big star, so I went to Ritik and I played the song. He loved the song and then he said, "Why should I do it?" Uh, so I told him the reason. Okay, it's for my father. It was his favorite song, and I wanted to do it in his memory. And instantly he said yes to it, and I'm very very thankful to him. He agreed to be a part of such a great song, which is loved by my father all his life, which what was I've told. And then of course Sonam, though she said yes on the phone only. so I send her the, yeah, actually. So I want to thank the entire team, means Ahmed Khan, Mr. Neeraj Roy, and Ritik, Yo-Yo Honey Singh, Sonam to be a part of this video. Thank you very much.
Ritik, your views on the same?
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. Thank you for being here. Hope you like the song. What I want to say is that I think this is really more of a celebration of love, a son and a father's story. Bhushan is really a very powerful man. He doesn't show it, but he's powerful because he's a very emotional man. And some people use the power of strength. He uses the power of heart, and which is amazing because when he came to me, I was just so touched with what he said to me. He said that he wants to do this for his father as a tribute, and it was just so sincere, and I identified with that, and I was just so happy to do it. He's a great son of a great father. Gulshanji, I don't know if you all know, was the son of a juice stall owner. He used to sell juice. And a journey that begins from there to becoming a music baron with a contribution to cinema very few will ever be able to achieve or touch is absolutely the most, one of the most inspiring journeys that we have in our histories. And Bhushan, it's incredible because he has taken that and he has driven it further into greater heights. And I think that is absolutely amazing, Bhushan. What you are and what you do and how you do it is absolutely incredible. Even as a producer, he made us work 16 hours a day for 2 days. Both the days. 16 hours, and he did not even need to say please. Because you can't say no to the man.
He was there
just
on set.
smiling like that, so humble. So you can't say no to him. It's like you got to stop using that here. It's like difficult. But no, we had a great time in Antalya. Yeah, I just want to say that we all are here. Sonam, myself, Ahmed, who's not here, but here, I guess, in spirit right now. All of us as a team here as a symbol of Bhushan's love for his father. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ritik, for the beautiful words.
We'll have the question and answer session on. Please, आपका अगर आप newspaper से हैं तो newspaper का नाम लीजिए, आपका नाम लीजिए और फिर सवाल पूछिए. But before that, Ritik, I'd like to ask you a question. How was the entire
I'd like to ask one question myself. Hey, AC off hai kya? I know the song is hot and Sonam's really hot but itni garmi to nahi ho sakti yaar because of that. What is the problem? Okay, chal. Sorry, come on.
So how was this whole experience? आपने बताया कि video shoot करते हुए आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा. But working with Sonam, how was the whole experience?
Working with Sonam was, it's my second time working with her, and I think we just had a ball here. Ahmed actually had to kind of, distract us from our conversations, and we were laughing half the time. So it was just very joyful, and I think that is what Sonam brings onto a set, because she's always got that smile on her face. It's like 100-watt, it radiates, and it just spreads across the ambience, and it's great fun. Yeah. I like to work with her. I think we should do a film together.
Generally I've seen you always super bikes or cars. This time a bicycle. How was that transition? It's like a paradigm shift. From sports cars and bikes. I still remember about, you once said you had a BMX bike also that you used to love the most. So how was the whole experience recreating your bike moment?
I think it was pretty sweet. Yeah, I think it was very cute. I thought if I do this, then maybe it looks so cute that girls will like me more when they see this. I think it's a very endearing thing to do in a suit and stuff. Yeah, so I did it for my personal reasons that with this, yeah.
So how was it working with Hrithik Roshan? I mean, every time you see him, there's this euphoria around him with people going crazy about him. कैसे था ये experience इनके साथ काम करना?
Well, he's a hot guy. Felt good. He's feeling really hot right now. But it's nice, right? When like a really good-looking, charming, funny, nice guy. I think that's an operative word, is romancing you, even if it's like fake and on screen. It feels good. It feels good. So it was fun. Yeah. So it's nice. So it's lovely working with him, and obviously he's Hrithik Roshan. He's very talented, and I would love to work with him as well in a feature.
Okay, next question.
You don't want me to say nice things about you?
Okay, go on.
Yeah. Go on. Can I go on? No, it was great, and I really wanted to do this song as well. I really like this song, and my family's had a really long association with T-Series. We've, and it was amazing, and thank you. I think this is a really cool song, and I think it'll do really, really well again in the yo-yo. I never understood that. Why yo-yo? And he's saying in his version as well, so it's cool.
Press, media, journalists.
I think we can give one mic.
Check.
Yeah.
Hi Ritik,
Hi,
Sonam.
Ritik. Nilesh
Hi.
here from Think Market Magazine.
Which magazine?
Think Market Magazine.
Pink Market. Okay.
Think Market.
Think Market.
Think Market.
I was like,
Yeah.
Pink Market?
Got it, got it.
Yeah. The question is to the both of you. What are your earlier memories of this original version of the song?
I think what I remember is going completely crazy about the entire album of the film, Ashiki. And it kind of became a rage at that time. And Dheere Dheere, I remember, was one of my favorite songs at that point of time. It became like a kind of a phase in life. You know how you have a memory of a certain song that identifies a phase in your life. So yeah, that's my association with it.
Sonam, yours?
Can she answer her question, please?
I was 4 years old when the song came out, so I don't have much of a memory, but I love like retro music, and so whenever I heard it when I was like a bit older, I really, really loved the song, and I thought Anu Agarwal, I think and I thought she was really styled beautifully in the film. If you go back to it, it's quite gorgeous, and she was really elegant, and obviously the music was really, really beautiful. So I love that song, and it's you reminisce about like those days, and I know there's this sequence where he's walking on the parapet on Juhu, and I was like, oh my God, you could shoot there, and the beach looks completely empty when you see the video. I was like, oh, that's how Juhu used to actually look like. So it brings back old memories, but I mean, that was when I heard it when I was much older.
Hi Ritik, hi Sonam. Alok this side.
Hello.
Hi. सवाल मेरा ये है कि इस गाने को अगर किसी को आप डेडिकेट करना चाहें, धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आना, तो आप दोनों किस को डेडिकेट करेंगे ये गीत?
यार फिलहाल मेरी जिंदगी में तो ऐसा कोई नहीं है that I can dedicate this song to, but जब होगा तो I will tell you.
Ditto. I'm single and very ready to mingle right now.
नहीं कोई भी हो सकता, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कोई particular.
I mean, he's dedicating it to his dad, so I think that's
it's
enough.
appropriate to say we all are dedicating this to his father.
Yeah.
जी मिस्टर कुमार आपसे भी सवाल था कि ये जब आशिकी एल्बम आई थी इसके सारे गाने सुपर डुपर हिट हैं, आपका कोई पर्टिकुलर गाना या पिताजी ने आपको कोई गाना बताया हो जिसका जिक्र आप करना चाहें आज?
एक्चुअली पापा ने मुझे ये फर्स्ट एल्बम मतलब मुझे पर्सनली रिलीज से पहले, उस टाइम रिलीज से पहले सुनने का बहुत क्रेज़ होता था, तो मुझे बिकॉज माय फादर वाज द ओनर ऑफ द कंपनी, तो 15-20 दिन पहले ही मुझे कैसेट्स मिल जाती थी. उस टाइम कैसेट होती थी, आई थिंक सीडी नहीं आई थी. तो ये कैसेट मुझे आज भी याद है. आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग विद हिम टू द एयरपोर्ट एंड ही प्लेड मी दिस साउंड ट्रैक. सारे गाने उन्होंने मुझे प्ले किए थे, एंड ही वाज सो श्योर अबाउट दिस कि ये एल्बम विल बी लाइव फॉर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ ईयर्स, एंड दैट्स व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. इट्स 25 years of Ashiki, and music is still doing so well. Means till today we sell the original Ashiki.
Ritik and Sonam, hi. On your left, hi, I'll stand up. I'm Karmik Verma from ikarmik.com. The song is Dheere Dheere, लेकिन आजकल की generation slow में ज़रा believe नहीं करती है. So what is the message that you would like to give to everybody who's social media savvy today, and everybody who is busy with their fast-paced lives with respect to this song? or more
I don't know,
philosophical take?
To each his own, yeah. You want to go slow, you go slow. They want to go fast, let them go fast. Yeah.
I think you're right. But I love being on social media. I think it's a great way to connect to people. The world has become smaller and you get a lot of information and a lot of unnecessary information, a lot of great information. But I think people do know how to smell the roses, special kind of people, maybe not in the cities. But I think like he said, it's each to each, it's everybody's an individual choice. And I take it very slow in life. So it depends on person to person.
Hi Ritik sir, this is Karan from Lemon News. I just want to ask you one question because भूषण सर ने ये जो गाना डेडिकेट किया है अपने डैड को किया है एंड यू आर वेल नोन कि आप भी अपने डैड के बहुत डियर हो. तो जब आप ये शूट कर रहे थे, आप दोनों ही शूट कर रहे थे, आपको अपने डैड का कितना रिमेम्बरेंस है माइंड में?
यार मेरे सामने there was Sonam. So dad was absolutely not there. believe
डैड
me.
वाज नॉट देयर.
Not there at all.
मतलब उस टाइम के लिए डैड चले गए और बाद में डैड याद आए.
आपको मुझे लगता है आपको अपने डैड की बहुत याद आ रही है इस
बिल्कुल
वक्त।
सर बिल्कुल. जाहिर सी बात है आप यंगस्टर्स के लिए इतनी बड़ी इंस्पिरेशंस हो, तो आप अगर अपने डैड के इतने क्लोज हैं तो आपको देखने के बाद हम अपने डैड के क्लोज तो रहेंगे
No, that's very sweet. But नहीं, इस गाने के दौरान I did not think about my father at all.
Okay,
It's-
okay.
Yeah.
भूषण जी, रितेश फ्रॉम ईटीवी, मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि आपके दिमाग में ये दोनों कैरेक्टर थे जब आप ये गाना बन रहा था, जैसे ऋतिक रोशन और सोनम कपूर, जब भी गाने की रिक्रिएशन की बात हो रही थी हनी सिंह से, तो
जी।
ये दोनों लोग थे उस समय आपके?
नहीं, उस समय नहीं थे. उसके बाद हमने जब गाना बन गया उसके बाद डिसाइड किया था.
Ritik sir, during this video song, there was a scene where Sonam is telling you that particular wardrobe is not matching you, and he's doing like this. Did you find any resemblance with your first movie where you, when you met Amisha for the first time in the scene, and you said this one is not looking nice, and you did like this? Did you find any resemblance?
I said I don't like the car. I prefer a bicycle. That's what I said. I didn't think
Okay,
about
but
it.
did you remember any scene or any?
No. But now I did. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bhushan ji, to your right. Sorry, left. Here.
Okay.
Why is Honey Singh not around? I mean, is he all right? We have not seen him in the limelight for a long time.
See, he's not keeping too well, but he has sent his best wishes for the song today.
So what's wrong with him? What is wrong with his health?
No, he's just not well. Means that is his personal thing. Means I can't disclose that here. But he's improving day by day, and he just spoke to me in the morning to wish me best of luck for the song, because this song is his very, very close song to him. So that's why he just sent me the good wishes.
And who will we see opposite Hrithik in Ashiki 3?
What? Ashiki 3? You want me to do it? Okay, I'll think about it.
So is it finalized? Bhushan ji? Bhushan sir, आपका जवाब?
We are
See,
working.
I've
toward-
loved him so much as a producer that I have myself have gone to him and said that you have to produce a film for me now. So let him think, give him some time.
Hrithik, Bang Bang 2 is happening, but you're not there. Lots of fans are disappointed. So what do you have to say?
What do I say? Why they didn't take me, I don't know. Ask them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hrithik, yeah.
Guys, just a request. Please, let's just keep questions with relation to the video and the music.
Okay, there's also a
Also-
buzz that Hrithik, yeah.
Before we go ahead, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the man behind the video also, Mr. Ahmad Khan.
The director has come, the last. All the questions were for you only. We've been answering for you. So now, please.
Hrithik. Hrithik, yeah. Just continuing that thing. There is a buzz that you have been approached for Nikhil Advani's next, but you haven't given the nod yet for that. So, no. Will
I'll tell
be
you
sing-
after we talk about Dheere Dheere.
All right, sure.
Let's just keep the questions to the music.
हेलो भूषण जी, दिस इज राजेंद्र सिंह फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन, इधर आपकी राइट साइड में।
जी.
ये जो अब गाना था हनी जी ने जो गाया,
जी
ये आइडिया किसका था कि इतना जो स्टाइल था दूसरा स्टाइल में गाया करते थे पहले, मेलोडी में गाया उन्होंने जो कि अच्छा गाया, किसका आइडिया था ये?
उन्हीं का आइडिया था। उन्होंने ही बोला कि मुझे इस टाइप का एक गाना आपके फादर के लिए करना है। एंड इनिशियली उन्होंने ये आइडिया बनाया, देन ही प्लेड मी। आप 2 महीने बाद उसके उन्होंने मुझे ये आइडिया प्ले किया एंड आई रियली लव्ड इट। एंड उसके बाद ये गाना कंपोज हुआ पूरी तरह।
अच्छा गाना।
भूषण सर, आपके लेफ्ट अमित कर्ण फ्रॉम दैनिक जागरण। सर मैं
I have had one film, which Ranjana was 100 crores, right? Bhag Milkha. Yeah, I don't even remember what numbers my films do because I really don't think about it too much. Yeah, but I guess, I don't know. I hope whatever, it does well for the producers. And I'm doing another film with Fox, so it better do well for the producers. I don't know, man. I've just worked hard and I hope it does well. It's Salman Khan. I'm sure it's going to open to some ridiculous figures. No, I think you're talking about another actress. People get confused a lot of the times. I don't know why. I'm doing just 2 films right now. I'm doing Prem Ratan and I'm doing Neerja, and both of them are with Fox. And yeah, I'm set for the next 1 year at least. After that, God knows.
हेलो भूषण सर, आपके लेफ्ट अमित कर्ण फ्रॉम
जी।
दैनिक जागरण। सर एक और फिल्म है तुम बिन, उसके गाने भी लोग आज बहुत मिस करते हैं, और अनुभव सर ने भी कहा था कि उसकी सीक्वल्स को लेकर कुछ मतलब बातें हैं क्या?
अभी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट धीरे, तो आई थिंक उसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे जब हम अनाउंस करेंगे।
उसकी उम्मीद करें हम लोग कि मतलब उसकी सीक्वल पॉसिबल है?
ज़रूर कर सकते हैं, आपकी उम्मीद पे मैं तो रोक नहीं डाल सकता।
और अच्छा, और इस गाने के जो मतलब अल्फाज थे, बोल थे, उनमें एक डीप थॉट्स, डीप मीनिंग मतलब थे। तो इसे आपने हनी सिंह के थ्रू ही क्यों मतलब रिक्रिएट करने की सोची?
जैसे मैंने अभी बताया कि ये हनी सिंह का आइडिया था कि इस गाने को वो अपने स्टाइल में, आज के स्टाइल में करेंगे, तो इसलिए उन्होंने थोड़ा अपने स्टाइल में इनको चेंज करके, लिरिक्स चेंज करके और ट्यून थोड़ी सी चेंज करके उन्होंने ये गाने को कंपोज किया है। एंड आई थिंक मीन्स एवरीबडी इज लाइकिंग इट, सो it's still meaningful.
Hello. Hi. My question is to Bhushan Kumar. Straight. Hi. It seems the song has a lot of budget and it's very well shot in good locations. I wanted to ask, and it's a single. So I wanted to ask, how do you monetize this, and what is the relevance of having singles in this day and age where piracy is on a high, and how do you plan to recover your
See,
budget?
this video I have not done for monetizing or anything. It is for in memories of my father, for his tribute to him. So this is not about money at all.
Yeah, but otherwise also, if it's a single, then how do you plan to take it ahead in
See,
this
further
digital world?
singles which I'm doing, I'm trying to establish this market, which was long back in 90s. It was there, means there we all used to make albums and all, which used to do very good business. But now it has gone behind. Nobody's concentrating on that. So as a music company, I want to bring this era back, and that's why, which can give good platform to all newcomers, new singers and everything. So that is the reason I'm trying to establish this market.
Okay, we'll have the last question. So
Yeah.
one last question. Yes.
Ritik, how true is Ritik? Straight. How true is this? There, yeah. How true is this news that you've been approached for a YRF film opposite Deepika?
Little bit true. Very, very, very little bit. Which part is true, I can't. Oh my God, mind
Just said he was single.
All right, moving ahead. Hemant sir, I would like to ask you something. इतनी सारी choreography, इतना सारा direction, first with Tiger and now with Hrithik Roshan, fantabulous dancers. How was it?
What about the girls, man?
Yeah, I mean,
this is a misogynistic way of looking at it, right? Not asking about the girls, saying how
was it with Sonam and with Hrithik?
And then Tiger. And
Well,
who's
the point is that first Hrithik saying yes for a video itself, and Sonam saying yes for a music video was really shocking. And then we said, let's give a shock to the audience, let's not make them dance. So Tiger ने बहुत dance कर लिया, and then when Ritik came on board, तो we said कि क्या करें, तो एक धीरे धीरे से नचाते हैं, and we did a धीरे धीरे step, which was composed on the set, Ritik, and we wanted to shoot her beautifully. And more than that, it was a tribute, and it should come across beautifully because the last Dheere Dheere was shot by Bhatt Saab in Ashiki, and we just wanted to relive the memories. And keeping the video fashion and video way of shooting the entire thing and contemporizing the whole way of looking at it, we had Ritik not dancing, and maybe next video, Ritik. वो गाना होगा जल्दी जल्दी.
Any song of mine only, which I want to recreate? I don't know, yeah. Kahuna Pyare, okay, why not?
He danced really well in that. Why do you want him to dance again on it?
She's happy with what we
Yeah,
had.
I was quite happy
She
with
doesn't.
it.
Okay, Bhushanji, the next question is for you.
This will be the last one.
Yeah, for sure.
Unfortunately.
Bhushanji, on your left. मैं खड़ा हो जाता हूँ, sorry.
जी, जी.
You know, Unusual, the book launch of Unusual took place about 15 days back. Anu Agarwal ki book hai, I'm sure you're aware of it. She was the one who originally played in the, who was filmed in the song in the movie. Didn't you think it was relevant for her to be associated with the music video launch today?
See, as I just maybe said, I've done in the memories of my father. So the main person who should be associated should be my father. So that's what we are doing here.
Okay. Last question, mummy promise. Ritik and
Why is it always mummy promise, yeah? Why not daddy or papa?
नहीं
Huh?
आज तीज है, मम्मी ने उपवास रखा है.
Acha. Good answer.
Okay, thank you. Ritik and Sonam, you guys have worked together. This is the second time. Oppo is another film, the ad film. I really loved it. What is the one quality that, and this goes out to both of you, that you have found in Ritik that you were not aware of earlier, and that you have found in Sonam that you weren't aware of earlier, while filming in Istanbul? Oh, sorry, in Turkey.
Well, iPhone, I don't know if I can identify something that I was not aware of and then got aware of, because ऐसा मैं सोचता नहीं. But I really admire the fact that she's very comfortable in front of the camera. She's very spontaneous. She is really giving, no, really. And apart from all of that, being an actress, and she's very aware of the world around her. She's very intelligent and very knowledgeable. So yeah, a lot of good qualities.
Ritik
Thank
and
you,
Sonam,
that's kind.
why haven't we seen
I
you?
can say, can I just praise him for a bit? This is like a tit for tat situation, right now. No, I mean, I think it's amazing working with him because you have all these like preconceived notions, or you'd be like really scared to work with someone who's like this huge mega star. And I think the only other mega star that I've worked with is Salman Khan. And the amazing thing about him is that he's really relaxed and casual, and I like the way he treats the people around him. There are a lot of people who kind of are not very kind to people, like because they think they're so much bigger than everybody else. I think he's really normal and humble, and there's a lot of humility there, and he's really open to everything and everybody, and that's really like not very like it's a very unusual quality in people who have seen so much success in life. So I think that's pretty incredible, and that only makes a person grow.
Ritik and Sonam, why haven't
I
we
think
seen
that's
you?
the
Last
we'll,
one,
no,
last one.
I
That's
think
it. We just have to end it on a
We've got
good
to s-
note, guys. That's it.
Thank you very much. We'll have
Okay.
a photo op. Yeah.
Why green t-shirt? Solo. Yogesh.
पूछे क्या?
अरे ग्रीन टी-शर्ट बैठना नीचे यार. ये ग्रीन टी-शर्ट. बॉल निकाल दो भाई. ए भाई बैठ जा. रास्ता थोड़ा